senior men, olive oil alone is actually blocking your erections, not helping them. You're trying to do right for your heart, right? But the same olive oil in your pantry might be secretly shutting down the blood flow you need most. You know that quiet frustration, that creeping doubt. This isn't about age. It's about a simple overlooked pairing. Hi, I'm Dr. Christina Morgan. For 2 decades, I've specialized in men's health, helping thousands reclaim their vitality. Today, we're unveiling a simple natural protocol to supercharge your blood flow. And stay with me because at minute 230, I'll reveal the precise type of vinegar you must use and why it's the hidden key. Let's cut through the noise and face the truth. When your body doesn't respond, it's often not because you're less of a man. It's a plumbing problem, not a masculinity failure. Your penis isn't a muscle that weakens. It's a blood flow organ. If blood can't surge in freely and stay trapped efficiently, there's no erection. Here's the shocking fact no one talks about. The arteries in your penis are up to 6 times smaller than your coronary arteries. That's why erectile dysfunction often appears 5 to 10 years before a major heart problem. Those tiny arteries are the first to clog. Olive oil is great for general health. But for these microarteries, for reopening them, olive oil alone is like trying to fix a clogged drain with just warm water. It helps, but it doesn't clear the blockage. It doesn't activate the system where it truly matters. Stay with me because the next part is shocking. This is where the paradox comes in and why you must never use olive oil alone for this specific goal. Olive oil needs an activation switch. That switch, gentlemen, is vinegar. Here's why this changes everything. Most men don't know this. Your body needs nitric oxide, N, that superstar molecule that tells your blood vessels to relax and open up, like turning on a powerful faucet. Olive oil supports this, but vinegar turbocharges it, especially in a microvascule. Vinegar, particularly apple cider vinegar, ACV, or high-quality red wine vinegar, closing the loop here. Red wine vinegar, with its unique polyphenol from grapes, adds an extra layer of antioxidant power, making it incredibly effective for arterial flexibility. It contains acetic acid, which has been shown in studies to boost nitric oxide production. It actively stimulates your blood vessel cells to produce more. Morono means wider, more pliable arteries for that essential surge. 2. Stabilize blood sugar. This is crucial. Unstable blood sugar silently damages your arteries over time. Vinegar helps improve insulin sensitivity, protecting those delicate pathways from internal erosion. 3. Reduce inflammation. Chronic inflammation is the enemy of healthy blood vessels. Vinegar acts as a natural anti-inflammatory, safeguarding your circulation. 4. Aid visceral fat reduction. Excess belly fat isn't just cosmetic. It can directly impede blood flow and hormone balance. Vinegar can help manage this often overlooked factor. When vinegar is present, it synergistically enhances olive oil's benefits, literally unlocking its potential to clear pathways for blood flow, especially to where you need it most. This isn't just about general health. It's targeted blood flow, the secret to reclaiming your male power. All right, gentlemen, no more shame, no more uncertainty. It's time for action. Here's the part every man over 60 must hear. The 3-step olive oil plus vinegar protocol that brought back morning wood for thousands. It requires discipline, but the results, they speak for themselves. Step 1, the morning detox shot. Every single morning, before anything else, mix 1 to 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Make sure it's with a mother or high-quality red wine vinegar with 8 to 10 ounces of warm water. Drink it down. This is your body's alarm clock for nitric oxide, opening up those critical blood pathways right from the start. Step 2, power up your meals. With your main meals, lunch, and dinner, incorporate a large salad. Dress it generously with extra virgin olive oil and the same type of vinegar, ACV or red wine vinegar. Don't be shy with the dressing. This ensures a continuous supply of activated nutrients directly impacting your vascular system throughout the day, like a slow-release repair kit for your arteries. Step 3, evening boost. Optional but powerful. About an hour before your evening meal, you can repeat step 1 with another vinegar water shot. This provides a sustained NO boost, especially beneficial as blood sugar levels might fluctuate later in the day, ensuring your system stays primed for performance. A crucial warning: do not apply vinegar directly to your skin, especially sensitive areas. This is for internal consumption only. This is about consistent internal rebuilding, not desperate external attempts. Your body needs time and consistency. Don't miss the end. It's where everything comes together. This isn't theory, gentlemen. These are real men I've treated. David, 71, he called me from his garage, his voice shaking with emotion. He'd lost morning wood for years. 3 weeks into this protocol, he whispered, "Doctor, it happened this morning. I woke up with morning glory again. It's been decades." The relief in his voice was palpable. Frank, 82. He honestly thought it was completely over. But within 2 months, his partner specifically called me to say she'd noticed a distinct difference in his firmness and vitality. Frank later told me, "It's not just about sex, doctor. It's about feeling like myself again, feeling capable. You are not broken. Your blood flow is just blocked." And with this simple natural protocol, you can rebuild those pathways. Now, this protocol is powerful, but it's crucial to use it wisely. 1. Consult your doctor. If you are on blood thinners, diabetic, have stomach issues, or any pre-existing medical conditions, always consult your physician before starting any new dietary regimen. 2. Consistency is key. This isn't a one-time fix. It's a daily commitment to rebuilding your circulation. Are you ready to stop feeling less than and reclaim your full male power? And subscribe to Vitality Health 101 and hit that notification bell for a complete roadmap to lasting male vitality. Make sure you're subscribed. Remember, gentlemen, a man doesn't lose his power with age. He loses it when he stops believing he can rise again. Rise again.